This show today will look all about climate change and the effects upon the UK, specifically the positive and negative impacts that the future holds. Climate change may well bring some positive impacts for the UK. The warmer winters should help reduce our fuel bills and reduce the number of winter deaths by half, from currently about 50,000 people a year. Longer, drier summers will bring increased potential for more solar power use. This will further help us to drive down our nation's carbon footprint. There will be new opportunities for our economy. Exotic fruits such as peaches and oranges could be grown here, along with the expansion of our wine industry, helping to create new jobs. Scientists also think that we'll be able to increase yields of wheat and potatoes, helping boost our food security. New fish species will enter our warmer seas such as plaice, again helping our food security. A major winner for the UK will be an increase in summer tourism. The warmer, drier summers will not only boost staycations, but will also encourage more from abroad to visit, which will help boost our economy. Why not pause this show and have a go at the question that you can see on the screen, which says describe the positive impacts that climate change may have on the UK. The following section is all about the negative effects upon the UK due to climate change. The UK will, like everywhere else in the world, suffer the consequences of climate change and have to adapt to these changes. With the polar ice melting and sea getting warmer, we will be faced with sea level rising. This will bring big problems to low-lying coastal areas with more flooding and greater coastal erosion. It is predicted that by 2080 we will all have much warmer summers, with the south being 4 degrees warmer. It's predicted that London will be as hot as Barcelona currently is in the summer, making life unbearable for many. Because it will be increasingly hot and dry, there will be more summer wildfires break out, which will destroy both wildlife and property. The changing weather will bring problems for farmers and our national food security, resulting in many crop failures. Climate change is predicted to make our winters generally a lot wetter, whilst our summers will be drier, with the southeast of England having up to 45% less rain than now. The wetter winters will bring a lot more sudden downpours, creating more flood damage over the country, affecting people's homes. In the summer, though, it will be so dry that we will experience droughts, which will put pressure upon our farms and water security. The more fluctuating weather extremes will also have an effect upon our wildlife, with a decline of some species such as hedgehogs and bees. This in turn will affect pollination rates of all other flowers and plants in our ecosystem. The warming of our climate will mean that we are likely to have more foreign species take up home in our country. Some of these will bring with them diseases which will threaten ecosystems and people alike. Overall, the UK is going to face generally warmer temperatures, wetter winters and much drier summers. The ever-changing climate will bring new challenges to us all. Why not once again pause the show and have a go at the question set here on the screen. Describe the negative impacts that climate change may have on the UK. Worth 4 marks. The table shows a summary of what we have learnt in this unit, looking at both the positive and negative impacts of climate change upon the UK. There is also an exam question for you to have a go at.